Good morning. Happy Thursday, everybody. This is Mornings with Michael, brought to you for informational, educational purposes. So let's get to it. It's a beautiful Thursday, a little bit of rain, not as bad as yesterday. So here's the news. Alibaba Group Holdings International Online Shopping Unit is exploring a U.S. initial offering, ways options to spur growth for business that includes major e-commerce brands Lazada and AliExpress. Costco, COST, April total comparative sales 1.4% versus estimate of 1.5%. Stock was down. Etsy, ETSY, first quarter EPS 53 cents versus estimate of 49 cents. Host Hotels, HST, first quarter 55 cents versus estimate 48. TripAdvisor, TRIP, first quarter adjusted EPS 5 cents versus estimate 7 cents. Zillow Group, ZG, quarter one revenue 469 million versus estimate of 424. Energy, APA, Incorporated, APA, first quarter EPS $1.19 versus $1.03 estimate. Talon Petroleum, CPE, to acquire Permian-based Percussion Petroleum Operating 2 LLC in cash and stock deal valued about 47 million. While also agreeing to sell its Eagle Ford assets to Ridgemar Energy Operating LLC for 655 million in cash. Eversource Energy, ES, quarter one EPS 141 versus estimate of 104. Marathon Oil, MRO, first quarter EPS 67 cents versus estimate 60. Solar Edge, SEDG, first quarter EPS 290 versus 192. Sunrun, RUN, first quarter EPS a negative $1.12 versus estimate of 12 cents. Ouch. Williams Energy, WMB, first quarter EPS 56 cents versus estimate 46. Into financials, Allstate, ALL, quarter one EPS adjusted loss $1.30 versus estimate of a loss of $1.42. First Horizon, FHN, shares tumble 39% after mutually agreeing to end their merger agreement with TD Bank. FleetCor Technologies, FLT, quarter one adjusted EPS 380 versus 59. MetLife, MET, announces new $3 billion share buyback authorization. Quarter one adjusted EPS 152 versus estimate 181. That was a big miss. PacWest, PACW, said to weigh strategic options, including sale, Bloomberg reported. Public Storage, PSA, first quarter $4.08 versus estimate of $4.01. Realty Income, first quarter FFO $1.04 versus estimate $1. On to healthcare. Option Care Healthcare, OPCH, said late Wednesday it is acquiring Amedisys Incorporated, AMED, in an all-stock deal valued at 3.6 billion. Kenvue, KVUE, the Johnson & Johnson big consumer healthcare business prices initial public offering at $20 share in the biggest new stock listing of the year. Quidel Ortho, QDEL, quarter one EPS at $1.80 versus $1.49. QIAGEN, QGEN, first quarter EPS 51 cents 47. Ceres, STE, announced a new $500 million share buyback program. Vertex Pharma, VRTX, announces U.S. FDA approval for Kalydeco to treat eligible infants with CF ages 1 month and older. Zynex, ZYXI, announces offering of $50 million of convertible senior notes, announces offering of 2 million shares of common stock for holders. Onto industrials and materials. Apollo Global, APO, is nearing a deal to buy industrial parts manufacturer Arconic Deal ARNC is our iconic symbol. And the deal set to value the company at $30 a share, or roughly $1 billion. Albemarle, ALB, quarter one EPS 1032 versus estimate 703. Forterra, CTVA raises full year net sales to 18.6 billion to 18.9 from prior 18.1 to 18.48. A quarter one EPS 116 tops estimate of 93 cents. Ingersoll Rand IR first quarter EPS 65 cents versus estimate 52. Kratos KTOS first quarter EPS 6 cents versus estimate 5. Mosaic MOS quarter one EPS $1.14 versus estimate of $1.24. Werner Enterprises WERN quarter EPS 60 cents versus estimate 70. And now on to technology. Qualcomm QCOM second quarter EPS 215 versus estimate 50. Right on the nose. Ansys ANSS first quarter EPS 509.4 million versus estimate of 492.6 million. EPS $1.85. On Ceridian HCM Holdings CDAY first quarter EPS 31 cents in line with estimates. Cognizant Technology CTSH quarter one EPS $1.11 versus estimate 4. Confluent CFLT first quarter EPS 9-cent loss versus estimate 14-cent loss. Equinix EQIX quarter one 859 versus estimate 792. Fastly SLY quarter one EPS loss 9 cents versus estimate loss of 10 cents. HubSpot quarter one EPS $1.25 versus estimate of 83 cents. HUBS Infera INFN first quarter EPS 2 cents versus 2 cents negative. Mercado Libre MELI quarter one EPS 3.97 versus estimate $3.08. Qorvo QRVO fourth quarter adjusted EPS 26 cents versus estimate of 13 cents. And finally, Synaptics SYNA quarter three EPS $1.89 versus $1.86. So that's our report for today. Let's share our screen and go look at some of our charts. Looking at ExxonMobil, continues to retreat. A look at our oil patch. We're going to pause our, there we go. Just got a little bit of a slow read here. We're out in Livermore today. Yeah, the oil continues to drop down about 0.63% today. Take a look at the dollar. Dollar is down slightly. Gold, wow, what a nice move on gold. Gold now has gone from down to $1.83 up to $1.91 on this ETF. That's quite a move. Take a look at silver. Silver, it looks like it's trying to break out of this consolidation as well. Take a look at yields. Yields are retreating. Yields are on the 10-year are down 1.6%. Take a look at our 20-year. 20-year, they're holding pretty steady. They were up earlier. Now they're off a little bit. So let's take a look at our markets. Look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is off about 0.6%. VIX. VIX has really shot up. It's up over 20. That is pretty amazing. VIX is up 2%. Take a look at the S&P 500. S&P 500 is down about 1% on fears of inflation, of recession. Let's see if we can take a look at a couple of issues that have done well. Super Micro kept up, and it's pulling back slightly today, but it's still pretty tight in that range. It had gone up a little bit and then pulled back shortly. Another winner, HubSpot. HubSpot is gapping up. It's at the top of its range today. It had a target right about here by analysts. It was going to hit 460, so it's pretty close to its target right now. Take a look at a couple issues that are down today. Looks like Option Care Health is down on its earnings. Its price is down 25%. See if the chart will come up here. Faro Technologies is off 40%. Here's Option Care Health. Here's Faro, down 40%. Amadeus on its sale is down 5.6%. Icon Enterprises, which was down a lot yesterday, continues to sell off. Today down another 10%. This is a ugly 3-day losing streak. We got Zynex off 27% today. And Aviat Networks sold off a lot harder, but it is trying to bounce back here. Gotta look at a couple more on the upswing. Shake Shack is up big today, up 12.6%. Green Brick Partners, housing builder, is up big, up 18%. The housing sector continues strong. And Arconic on its sale is up 27%. Green Plains Partners in the oil patch is off 0.23%. It was up earlier slightly. Shopify is up 26% today. You can get that chart up here. It's up on its earnings. You can see the blue dot. We had some pretty tight closes here, and now it is gapping up. So we're not going to look at the ETFs. That's going to be our show for this morning. Everybody has a great day, great Thursday, and we'll see you tomorrow, Friday, and hope everybody continues to work on your activities and your goals. This has been Mornings with Michael for information and educational purposes only.